as the name suggests, the delete cookies command essentially deletes any and all web cookies that are not Flash-based that may have been placed by websites that are being visited. So here's a quick example of how the delete cookies command works. So in this simple spell, we're going to visit youtube.co.uk, and that essentially specifies the Great Britain version of the YouTube website. And we're going to put the spell to sleep for 5 seconds so that we can verify the fact that we are in fact on the Great Britain version of the site. Then we're going to visit youtube.com. Now you'll notice the .com version is simply the universal version of YouTube, and as such, we're going to notice, however, that because a cookie was set by the .co.uk version of the site, it's still going to show up as being a Great Britain version of YouTube. So we're going to then go to sleep for, let's just say 5 seconds there, and then we're going to delete all the cookies. Now, after we delete the cookies, we're going to wait, or basically go to sleep, right? We're going to have the spell go to sleep for about 5 seconds or so. And then we're going to visit, once again, youtube.com. And we should be able to see that then, as a result of the cookies having been deleted with the delete cookies command, that now youtube.com simply comes up as youtube.com. It does not recognize the Great Britain version of the site because the cookie that was placed by the Great Britain, right, the .co.uk version of the site, is no longer present on the system. So, okay, let's go ahead and cast this spell. I'm going to draw your attention to the web view window down here. We're visiting youtube.co.uk, and when that takes place, we see up here in the corner, this is where you're going to want to notice, see the GB there? That means Great Britain. Now we're going to go ahead and visit the youtube.com version of the site. However, it's going to revert to the Great Britain version of the site. See, the letter GB is still there. So let's go ahead and delete the cookies, and that's going to be taking place momentarily. And then we're going to visit youtube.com again, and this time you'll notice YouTube comes up and there's no GB. There's no Great Britain reference. The reason why is because the cookie that was initially set by the youtube.co.uk version of YouTube was deleted with the delete cookies command, and so once we reload youtube.com, we no longer see the letters G and B appearing next to YouTube because we are no longer straddled, so to speak, or we're no longer being labeled with that cookie which identified us as being from the UK. So that's why when we visit youtube.com now, after we delete the cookies, you can see there's no GB. So hopefully this begins to give you a better understanding of what the delete cookies command is all about and what it can do. Thanks for watching. Now please subscribe to our channel.